Hello guys, in the last videos we have seen for loop and for each loop. These concepts we have seen. Now in this video we are going to see while loop. Good. Where exactly the location we are going to use while loop. Already we have seen where we are going to use for loop. In Java applications, if you know number of iterations before writing the loop, in advance if you know number of iterations before writing the loop, there we are going to use which one? For loop we are going to use there. Similarly, where we are going to use while loop. Right, sir. In Java applications, if you don't know the number of loop iterations, in advance before writing loop, there we have to use while loop. There only we have to use while loop. This is the basic awareness on which one they know while loop. In Java applications, if we don't know the number of loop iterations in advance before writing loop, there we have to use while loop. Right, what is the syntax of this one? Syntax of this while loop is which one? While condition, here we have to provide. Then after that, here we are going to write which one? You know, a set of intersections. Intersections here we have to provide. While condition and intersections here we have to provide. This is the meaning of which one? You know, while loop. In Java applications, if we don't know the number of loop iterations before writing loop, there we have to use which one? While loop. Example is which one? That means syntax is which one here? While condition and number of intersections here we are writing clearly. This is what exactly the syntax of the while loop. Just I will go for a simple example. Now try to recognize this example here. Right, sir. For example, int I is equal to 10, semicolon. Int I is equal to 10. Sorry, int I is equal to 0. Next one is while I less than 10. Now inside this, here what we are able to provide there, system dot out dot println of I, then I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Int I is equal to 0. Then inside this while I less than 10. Then after that system dot out dot println of I. Here we are able to provide I is equal to I plus 1. This is what exactly the content here we are able to provide. Now let me compile and execute this. Then what will be the output here we are able to get here? Java C space test.java. Compiled successfully. Java space test. Here 0 to 9 output here we are getting. Java C space test.java. Java space test 0 to 9 output here we are getting. Then what is going on? How this flow of execution is going on here? Initially I value is 0. Good. While I less than 0, that means 0 less than 10. That's fine. Success. That means true value. System dot out dot println. Here 0 we are able to display. It means that 0 we displayed here. Next one is which one? Then after that I is equal to I plus 1. That means I value is incremented by 1. Already 0. Now it is 1. Again 1 less than 10. Okay, fine. 1 less than 10. Condition is true. System dot out dot println of I. 1 we are able to get. Then after that I is equal to I plus 1. Already I value is 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Now I value is 2. Now 2 less than 10. Condition is true. System dot out dot println of I. Now comma 2. Like this we are able to provide and so on and so on and so on. Now finally here we are able to get which one here? 8 value. And we are able to get which value here? No, 9 value directly. Right, so this is what exactly the while loop here we are able to execute clearly. Here we want to check one point here. What I want to check now? What about this conditional expression? Is this conditional expression is mandatory or optional? I want to check it. In the case of for loop, conditional expression is optional. In the case of for loop, conditional expression is optional. That means expression 2 is optional. If you have not provided any expression 2, by default for loop will take a true value. If you have not provided any conditional expression, by default for loop will take which value? There no true value. That's it. But in the case of this while loop, I want to check whether this conditional expression is true. That means conditional expression is mandatory or optional. If it is mandatory, here we are able to get compilation error. If it is optional, there definitely we are able to get which we are not going to get which one? Compilation error. So now let us check this one clearly. Right, sir. Java C space test.java. Right, sir. Error we are getting there. Illegal start of expression error we are getting there. So what is the meaning of it now? Conditional expression is mandatory or optional here? Definitely conditional expression is mandatory. This is one point here we have to understand. Conditional expression is mandatory. If you provide conditional expression, there here we are able to get some output here now. Right, so Java C space tester.java. Now Java space test. Output here we are getting then. So the point is which one here? In while loop, conditional expression is mandatory. Conditional expression is which one? Mandatory. In the case of while loop, conditional expression is mandatory. That's fine. Next one is which one? Then after that, I'll go for one more simple example. Try to answer for it. For example, I'm going to take I less than or equal to 0 or I greater than or equal to 0. Now here, system.out.println of before loop Now here what I will provide there, system.out.println of inside loop, then after that system.out.println of after loop. Tell me, sir, what exactly the status of this program here now? Similar program we have seen in the case of for loop, where we are not getting any compilation error, where we are not having any compilation error. Now here in this example, now I provided the same type of example. Now what is the status of this one? And moreover, I am giving clue now. I provided this statement immediately after the infinite loop. So here this type of statement is called as which one? Unreachable statement. Will you get any compilation error like unreachable statement in this case now? Is it possible to get unreachable statement error here in this scenario? No? Now let us check this. Anyway, conditional expression is optional that we have seen in the previous case. Now I want to check unreachable statement error is coming or not. Java C space tester.java. No compilation error here we are getting. Why, sir? Why we are not getting compilation error now? Same reason. So this statement is called as unreachable statement. But when we are able to get compilation error and when we are not getting compilation error, in the sense, when compiler recognizes the statement as an unreachable statement, then only compiler will raise an error. Okay, fine. If compiler is not recognized, our statement is an unreachable statement, even though really it is unreachable statement, but if compiler is not recognized, that statement is an unreachable statement where compiler will not raise any error. But when compiler is able to recognize that statement is an unreachable statement, when compiler recognizes this loop as an infinite loop, no, then only the statement is which one can know? Unreachable statement. But when compiler is able to identify this loop as an infinite loop, no, when compiler evaluated this conditional expression and when compiler identifies result of this conditional expression is true, then only this loop is treated as which one can know? Infinite loop directly. Okay. Now what about this conditional expression? Which type of expression it is? No. Compiler can evaluate only constant expressions. Compiler is unable to evaluate variable expressions. Now tell me, what about this expression here? No? This expression is constant expression or variable expression? No? That is the question now. Now this expression is constant expression, variable expression. If it is variable expression, compiler is unable to evaluate this expression directly. Compiler is unable to evaluate this variable expression. Who is going to evaluate this variable expression? Only JVM can evaluate that variable expression. Okay, when compiler is unable to evaluate this this variable expression, then immediately compiler will not treat this loop as an infinite loop now. Compiler will not think this loop as which one there? Infinite loop. Once compiler is not identifying this loop as an infinite loop, then there is a chance of declaring this statement as an unreachable statement no? Then where is the possibility of saying this statement is an unreachable statement here? So this type of question here we are getting clearly. This type of answer here we are getting. So finally the status of this program is which one? No compilation error. Why? Because compiler is not identifying this loop as an infinite loop. Why? Because compiler is unable to evaluate the conditional expression. Why? Because this conditional expression is variable expression. It is not constant expression. So compiler did not recognize this loop as which one? Unreachable statement. This statement is an unreachable statement. So compilation error is not existed in this scenario. It's okay, fine, that's fine. Next one, next example. For example, I want to change this total expression. If I provide true here, in place of that variable expression, now here I provided which one? Constant expression. If we provide constant expression here in this scenario, automatically this loop is recognized by compiler as which one there? Infinite loop. How can we say this loop is an infinite loop? By the compiler, no. How compiler can recognize this? Compiler is trying to evaluate true. Compiler is trying to evaluate conditional expression. What is this conditional expression actually? That conditional expression is true. True in the sense which one here, no, constant expression that can recognized by compiler. So compiler can understand this loop is which one there, no, infinite loop. When compiler recognizes that loop as an infinite loop, no, then whatever the statement here we provided immediately after this infinite loop, that statement is called as which one here, no, unreachable statement. Here compiler is able to identify this statement as an unreachable statement. Definitely here compiler is able to provide an error. Now let us compile this one, java c space test.java. Here definitely here we are getting an error. That error is which one here, no, unreachable statement. sys.out println of after loop. Unreachable statement error here we are getting. So this is what exactly the scenario about which one there, no, while loop here, no. In general, while loop will be utilized whenever we are not aware how many times the loop body is going to be iterated. Next one is which one? In general, infinite loops we are going to provide through while loop only. In general, we are going to prepare this infinite loops through which one there, no, while loop only. Next one, syntax I have given for this while loop and one or two small experiments we have done there. Conditional expression is mandatory. It must return either true value or false value. Next one is which one? Then apart from that, so unreachable statements here we provided. When compiler recognizes our loop as an infinite loop and when compiler identifies the followed intersection, then automatically that followed intersection is called as which one here, no, unreachable statement. So compiler will raise this unreachable statement error whenever we have written system.out.println of after loop concept clearly.